Today, I'm showing you how to deposit money from your bank into the Kraken app updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. First, open the Kraken app and log in. Don't forget to turn on two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. Now, tap the deposit button on the home screen. Next, choose whether you're depositing cash or crypto. If you're depositing cash, you'll see a few options like Apple Pay, Etanic Custody, or credit and debit card. Be sure to check the fees. Some methods like credit card deposits may charge 25 cents plus 3.75%, which can be pretty steep. If you're going the crypto route, just pick from the list of supported coins. You can also select your deposit currency, most commonly USD or Euro. Once you've selected your method, Kraken will show their bank details and your unique reference code. Be sure to copy or save this info. After that, just wait. Deposits usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank and transfer type.